Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Mivi Soundbar to the TV with an HDMI cable. First, look at the back of your TV and the Mivi Soundbar and find the HDMI ARC port on both devices. This port allows the TV to send audio directly to the soundbar through a single HDMI cable. Next, plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on the TV. Then plug the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on the Mivi soundbar. After that, turn on both devices so they are ready to connect. Now using your TV remote, go to the settings menu and open the sound section. Then select audio output and choose HDMI ARC or external speakers so the TV sends the audio to the soundbar. After that, use the soundbar remote and select HDMI mode if it is required on your model. Then wait a few seconds for the devices to detect each other and complete the connection. Finally, play a movie or music on the TV and check the audio output. Make sure the sound is coming from the soundbar instead of the TV speakers to confirm that the connection is working properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.